Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Veda Food Court and Art. Today we have a mouth-watering recipe for you, methi and sweet corn vegetable pulao cooked to perfection in a pressure cooker. It's a quick and easy dish that's packed with flavors. So let's get started. First, wash 2 cups of Sona Masuri rice and soak it in water for 20 minutes. Drain and set aside. Here I cut all the vegetables like carrots, sweet corn, potato, beans, capsicum, cauliflower, green chilies and sliced onions. Now here I plucked some fenugreek leaves, washed it and kept ready. For this pulao, I chopped 4 tomatoes into small pieces. Here I prepared fresh ginger garlic paste in my dinchik. Now all ingredients are ready for cooking. Heat the pressure cooker and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now I am adding whole garam masala, bay leaf, ilachi, cloves, peppercorns. Here I am adding somp instead of cumin seeds. I added sliced onions and some green chilies. Toss in the sliced onions and cook until they turn translucent. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until aromatic and turns golden. Now it's time to add all mixed vegetables, corn, carrots, beans, capsicum, aloo, cauliflower and give it a mix. After that add methi leaves and pudina leaves. Mix well. Now here I am adding the spices like salt as per your taste and half spoon of turmeric powder and half spoon of red chili powder and 1 spoon dhania powder. Mix well. Now I am adding chopped tomatoes. Give it a mix and cook properly until the tomatoes soften. Now open the lid and add half cup of curd. See, all the tomatoes are smashed nicely. Now I am adding 2 cups of soaked Sona Masuri rice. Gently mix and make sure that masala mixed with the rice and close the lid for 1 minute. Now open it and add half spoon of garam masala or biryani masala and squeeze half a lime. And I am adding 4 cups of water for 2 cups of Sona Masuri rice and mix well. Now I added half spoon of ghee and check the salt as per your taste and adjust it. It should be little salty and usual and it will be perfect. Now close the pressure cooker lid and put weight. Get 2 whistles. One is on high flame and other one is on low flame. Now allow the pressure to release naturally. Once it's safe to open, remove the lid and gently fluff the pulao. Now your delicious corn and methi vegetable pulao is ready to be served. Here we served with raita and red sorrel pickle. This pulao really goes very well with this pickle. Try it and let me know in the comment section. There you have it folks. This corn and methi vegetable pulao is not only a breeze to make but also a treat for your taste buds. Perfect for quick weekend dinner or lunch. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. See you next time and happy cooking. Thank you. Bye bye.